Okay guys, I'm using Funky Yellow by Kiss Colors. This is my wig, y'all. It's a 613. Hold on, let me back this up a little more. It's a 613 HD lace wig. So cute. So first I'm going to spray the knots with Got To Be Glue and seal and blow dry them. So just a second, y'all. You could do it probably like 3 times. Okay, y'all, so the lady who I saw do it, she used regular warm water or whatever. She only used literally like half a bottle. Like, so we're gonna open it. We're gonna pour. She poured like half of it in there, y'all. But I'm going for like a golden yellow. My gloves, because I don't want my nails to be yellow. Hopefully this works, y'all. And I'm gonna take a small piece and see what it do. Oh, y'all, it's so yellow. Y'all look. Okay. Oh my god, y'all. It's so freaking yellow. Okay. I'm just gonna dip the whole thing in. Let me my baby hairs back. Y'all, this is working. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna put the whole bottle in. Cause I want it real like funky. I think I want to take it to the sink and dip it. Cause I'm kind of nervous. Okay, y'all. About the watercolor method, y'all. I thought you always had to boil water. Like, I literally thought that. But this just showed me you don't. Let's dip. Dip, baby, dip. Y'all, I'm dipping. I'm dipping. I'm dipping. I'm dipping. I'm dipping. I'm dipping. 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 Y'all, it's so yellow from what I can see. Like, I love it already. Let me get. I was supposed to use a comb so that everything could be even. Y'all, it's so yellow. Look, y'all. Wow. Let me get a comb, y'all. So, Slay by Jordan said when you're doing your watercolor, make sure you combing it so that it's even. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. I'm combing it so that everything is pretty much even. And the color gets all throughout the hair. If y'all can see what I'm doing, I'm just combing it through. Combing it through, y'all. Y'all, it came out so perfect. This is so pretty, y'all. I can't wait to wear these. I'm so happy at the outcome. A little bit that's in the bottom. Like shaky, I guess. Put it in here. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this So y'all, look at this beautiful color, man. I don't think y'all understand how pretty this is. Do y'all see this? This is raw. This is so raw. In the mirror, don't play with her. She is not one of them, okay? She looks so cute, y'all. This is definitely my color. Okay, let me go see my man. Okay, y'all, so I just tied the edges down. And tomorrow, I'm gonna really focus on styling it. I don't really want to style it before bed because it's pointless. So, I'm gonna let my cousin style it tomorrow and I'll show y'all that process. Doing my hair. I wanted to do my makeup, but I might not have time. This section of my hair. I got this curler from Ulta. It's by Bed.